Hey up YouTubers, how are we? In the garage today, nothing mechanical. What we're going to use, a washing machine. Some of you guys, and possibly some of you girls out there, won't know what one of them is. But with these products, we're going to wash our motorcycle clothing. If you fancy a bit of that, stick around, stay tuned. So we've all been on lockdown for some time, and now we're allowed to ride our motorcycles. How many people out there have been washing their kit? Well, hands up, I haven't, but I'm going to now. So, this, since I bought it 12 months ago, Halvarsen top and bottom, it's done about 7,000 miles, and it's looking a bit grubby. So, I'm going to use these products, made by Storm. These are recommended by Rucker, people who are on about using Nick Wax, etc. But the thing with Storm is that you can wash your products in one go whilst it's in the washing machine. We'll show you how. So the first thing you need to do is get rid of all your armour that's within the jacket. So there's no point in washing that, is there? Back protector. So on the Halvarsens, usually you would, on certain types of motorcycle, you don't do the arms, there'll be a zip or something there. On the Halvarsen, you have a zip pocket at the bottom, which we've just taken the back protector out, and this allows you to gain access up into the shoulders, and they're velcroed in. It's the same down towards the elbows. They're in the sun. Those are 4 pieces of armour. Somewhere. In a safe place. And the other thing I would recommend, if you've got any loose zips, zip everything back up. I'm going to actually open the vents on this jacket. Before you put it in the washing machine, read your instructions, the washing instructions. So make sure everything's fastened up. Take everything out of your pockets. Wallet. I'm going to leave that in there. I don't know if you can probably see it, but it is quite stained, it's quite dirty, there's flies all over it. Like I say, it's 12 months old, and it's ready for a clean. The same again with the Halvarsen with the wish pants. The bottom of the pant itself, there's a zip which allows you into the inner lining. So everything. Knee pads and the hip armour the right way, allows access to each leg. There's 4 of them. Keep them safe as well. Again, take the braces off. They don't need washing. Check your pockets. In your pockets. So now ready for the washing machine. For all you people out there that don't know what a washing machine, may I introduce you a washing machine. Relatively easy to operate. Open the door, take a garment and place inside. I'm hoping you do these both at once. And all you do is close the door. According to how Varson is 40 degrees, so I'm going to leave it on a 40-degree wash. So the good thing about the Storm wash is that you can do the wash and the proof in the washing machine at the same time. A lot of people are talking about nick wax. Brilliant product, nothing wrong with it. The only problem is that you've got to do it twice. You've got to put the garment in the washing machine twice. Once to wash it and once to reproof it. This product allows you once in the washing machine, once only. So it's quicker and a little bit easier. 75 mils each into, so the wash goes into the drawer where the liquids goes in. So you might use tablets, so you might not know where the drawer is. It's just here. 75 mils, the cap is 25. So what we're going to do is put 3 caps in. But because I've got 2 garments in it, I'm going to put 1 more into it, just to make sure. It's the wash. I have shaken them before, it should shake well before use. And in the softener drawer, we're going to put the proofer. Same again, 75 mils. Close the drawer and press start. That's the garments all washed. Full spin cycle. So what we're going to do now is hang it outside. So we'll leave them to drip dry for a couple of hours, and once we've done that, we're going to put them in the tumble dryer for about 20 minutes. So nearly the end of the process, long old process. So it's been outside, it's drip dried, it's nearly about dry. So what we're going to do, we're going to put it in the tumble dryer now for about 15-20 minutes. This is to heat it up and to get the waterproofer, and enables it to stick to it. They say that you can, if you want to, you can iron it. An iron to nylon, not really. So I'm going to stick this in the dryer and leave it in there for 20 minutes, and then we should be about done. So that's them out of the dryer. They don't have to look clean now, they look brand new. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope it's going to give you some incentive to go and clean your gear now, because now we're nearly about out of lockdown. We can start travelling our motorbikes. All this gear of ours has probably been sat under the stairs in the garage, not being cleaned. I'll put a link down below where I bought this gear from. I do recommend it. It has been recommended to me, but I'll put a link down below which I found the cheapest in the UK. Anything like to comment, please comment down below. Get yourself in the kitchen, guys and girls, and get your stuff washed, ready to go. Subscribe button's down there. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, down there somewhere, comes up here somewhere at the end of the video. Click that bell and you'll get a notification every time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and as they say, we'll see you soon.